How to connect mobile to HP laptop. Make sure both are on the same internet. First of all, here search for settings. Here you can see settings, click it here. Here search for projection settings, click it here. Here you can see add the wireless display option feature to project to this PC. Click on optional feature, click on add a feature and search for wireless display. Here you can see wireless display, click it here and then click on add. As you can see it has added now. Now go back. Now click on here and select available everywhere and then click on first time only. After that, now go to the mobile and here you can see Smart View, click it here, then tap on next, tap on continue. After that, click on launch the Connect app to project to this PC, click it here. As you can see, desktop is ready to connect wirelessly. Here you can see now the option is appearing now. Tap here and then tap on start now. As you can see, Android mobile is now showing in HP laptop. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.